Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all guys are doing absolutely well. You may know NFT is now spread all over the internet. People make, sell, buy NFT like crazy using the cryptocurrency. Each of the NFT is different from another and each one having own price and owner. Today here we will see one more unique NFT collection. This is a one kind of bulldog NFT collection. If you look here, there are almost 8,000 items of this niche and having almost 3,000 owners and approximately 2,000 ethereum already. Anyway, if you calculate the amount of this ethereum into dollars, you will see a great volume, although nowadays the price of crypto is really low for the reason the war is happening, and as soon as the war closes, we will see a bit increase in the price of cryptocurrency and this NFT price will reach much higher than usual. This NFT collection looks really well, having good engagement a bit. You can also bring out your unique niche of NFT from a big niche to a small part of a niche. Suppose your niche is pet, so there are pets like dog, cat, fish, bird, rabbit, etc. Now let's select dog. So you can search with keywords like dog breeds, type of dog. This way you can do same for bird and cats. Okay. Now go deep down and bring out your unique niche to work on. Now let's see how we can make unlimited NFT for free with just a simple trick, where you don't have to be a professional graphic designer or Photoshop expert. Just do as I show you right now. You can come over to canva.com and make a custom size 631 into 631 pixel, then click on add page multiple times to get your desired amount of NFT. Now set the background. Just drag and drop each items. As you get ready all of your backgrounds, now it's time to search a face image of your niche. Select a simple one. Now copy that same image and paste it. All the backgrounds is selected. Now it's time to make all of these images different from each other. You can simply search item to add here like eyes or mouth, then search for hat, scarf, coat. I mean, one by one you can search each of items and paste it in your photo. You can change the color of any elements in this photo to make it more different from one another. This way you will get all the different NFT for a particular niche. After you have done all this, now click share and download. Leave this as PNG, select all pages and download as zip. Now unzip this and here see all our NFT is ready and we can just upload it in OpenSea for sale. If you don't know how to create account in OpenSea or how to upload NFT in OpenSea, you can check out my previous videos where I explain all of the things related to NFT. Now let's get back to the point. After you finish upload your NFT, now it's time to make it more popular or do a bit boost of your NFT. Means you can promote it. You can do it for free. Let's see a simple and easy way. There are many ways, but here I am showing a simple method in Twitter how you can promote it. Make a niche related Twitter account and upload it in your account like this. I am giving the captions and use the similar type of hashtags that will be searchable hashtags for your niche, and this way you can promote all over the social media. And here you need to be a follower, or you need to get followers for your same niche related people. So just search with this type of keywords and find out the community people and send them following request, so they will follow you back, and this way you will able to generate a much amount of followers in your Twitter account, and you can also get audience for your NFT. I hope you understand, and this is all for today. Hope you make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more videos like this, and you can visit our website attaining.blogspot.com, and also join our Facebook group Pay and Share to get daily updates and interesting tools and tricks. Okay, see you in the next video. Have a great day.